Okay guys, so we're back again, going over the Waykar Dehumidifier. Excellent piece of machine. It looks sleek, it looks good, right? And a really good touch with the handlebar as well, right? Just bend it, wheel it, and then you go right ahead, you hook it up. All right, these are the drainage tubes. The bigger one goes here, right? The smaller one goes on this side. Now I won't be using a drainage tube, but let's go ahead and plug it up. Now, let's see what it sounds like. Let's see how loud it is. Let's see how the control response is. You can tuck it in the corner, and this thing moves really good too, by the way. You have the wheel locks as well. It does a good job, right? Sleek looking design. And let's go ahead and power it up. That's the power button. Responds really good. Wow, almost immediately, right? You got the timer, you got the humidifier setting, right? This is the purge. I guess that drains it, but pretty good. Not so loud. Turns on really fast. This is where the air comes out. And this is where it sucks the air in. Sleek piece of machine. Yeah. So yeah, I got this for, covering my living area. It's a pretty big space. But I got this so it could get rid of the mold, right? The reviews that I saw on YouTube were really good. So I said, you know what, let me pick it up and see if it works. So far, so good. Tomorrow when I wake up, I'm going to see how much water it actually was able to collect from the air, and that will let me know if this thing actually collects a lot of water, right? Here's where you find the vent. All right, it's working pretty good. Very sleek. Definitely would get one of these for your home, especially if you have children, if you have any type of sinus or allergy issue. That's what it's here for. All right, I'll see you on the next video, and definitely would pick one up. It's not so loud. It looks really clean too in my little area right here, and it does the job. What more can you ask for? Talk to you soon.